Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare interactive brokers versus eToro. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which platform best suits your investment needs. Interactive brokers is known for its advanced features and broad market access, appealing to professional traders. On the other hand, eToro excels in social trading and ease of use, making it popular among beginners. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. When it comes to fees, both platforms have different structures. Interactive brokers often provides very competitive low commissions, especially for high-volume traders, which can significantly reduce costs over time. eToro, however, offers zero-commission stock trading in certain markets, which is attractive for those focusing on equities. It's important to review their specific fee schedules, including spreads, overnight fees, and any potential withdrawal charges, to understand your total trading expenses. Looking at features, Interactive Brokers provides a robust suite of professional-grade tools, including advanced charting, comprehensive research, and sophisticated order types, ideal for experienced investors. eToro shines with its social trading capabilities, like Copy Trader, allowing you to replicate successful investors' portfolios and smart portfolios, which are thematic investment strategies. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize independent, in-depth analysis or prefer a more collaborative and guided investment approach. Regarding user experience, eToro is generally considered more intuitive and easier for beginners to navigate, with a clean interface and straightforward trading process. Interactive brokers, while powerful, can be overwhelming for new users due to its extensive features and complex layout, requiring a steeper learning curve. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your individual trading goals and comfort level with advanced tools. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.